This is an immersion blender Hollandaise sauce. That's right, we're making Hollandaise sauce with a stick blender. Super easy, no fail Hollandaise sauce. Let's go. Step 1, separate the eggs. It's the yolks that create the thickening, so we want beautiful egg yolks. Use whatever method works for you. This is the way my mama taught me. Just move the egg from one side to the other, just holding the yolk. The white will separate and run into the bowl all on its own. Oh, and don't worry, we're gonna use those whites for breakfast tomorrow. Step 2, we wanna melt our butter. We need hot butter to drizzle over our cold egg yolks. While that's melting, let's add the rest of the ingredients to our egg yolks. We've got 2 egg yolks. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of water, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Now, what about a little bit of flavor? We're adding a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of cayenne pepper. This is optional, but we love it. And a little bit of salt. Now, we're gonna just give that a little zhuzh. I'm making a small batch, and that's because it's tricky to store and to reheat. So your best bet is to start fresh every time. Of course, if you're serving a huge crowd, you definitely want to double or triple this recipe. Using 2 yolks is ideal for 2 to 4 people. We want to melt our butter, not brown it, so it's time to take it off the heat. Some people might want to clarify the butter and remove the foam and the milk solids, but I've never done that and it works just fine if you leave it in, so I'm leaving it. The next step is to drizzle the hot butter into the egg yolk mixture. So we've got cold eggs, we've got hot butter, and we want to use a nice, slow, thin stream while the immersion blender is going. Here we go. Oh yeah, it's like butter, only better. How are you gonna use your Hollandaise sauce? I'm gonna use mine on some freshly steamed asparagus. For the full details and recipe, visit gettystewart.com.